Welcome back, everybody, to the daily show where we discuss and do technical analysis on big mega cap stocks. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it, guys. On Apple stock, it's up 0.16%, so absolutely flat on the day. And I'm not going to share this trade right here, but again, Apple was going up right here and shorted at 237, pretty much right at the dot. 230 puts, and yesterday got out completely out of this trade when in the money, over the money. Fantastic right here on Apple. And I'm not holding anything right here because Apple is on an uptrend. It's wedging right here. So yes, a breakout can possibly happen over this previous all-time high. But so far, huge rejection came back and retested 230 as a support, and now that is holding. So as long as 230 holds right here, stay bullish for possibly a retest of that new all-time high. And over that, watch out for a brand new all-time high. That could be 240 to 245. We're trading into blue skies over this previous all-time highs. Now, underneath 230, you will see selling down to 224, 220, and then 215. On Amazon stock, it's up 0.34%. So Amazon, you can call this a bull flag consolidation or even a mini downtrend. And so far, Amazon banging its head against this resistance right here at 188. Over that level, we will see a pump up to 196. So far, that's not happening. Now, underneath 188, watch out for strong support at 185, 183, and then the critical level needs to hold on any pullback right here at 180. Below that, there is going to be a huge dump off all the way down to 173. And here's a fantastic trade idea from today. You can see it right here, guys. And if I click on this, it will take you right up here. You can see triple Q puts at opening strike 490. No stop loss. You can use, if you like, expiration same day. Play what you can afford to lose. And from there, we opened it what, almost 496, and this thing came back almost going deep in the money. So this was a fantastic trade today. Made a lot of money on this trade and left a lot of money also because I did not get out exactly at the bottom. So all these trade ideas, and especially if you want to support the channel and you are serious about trading, then check out the link down below in the description for Patreon. On Microsoft, it's absolutely flat on the day and trading just above 413. And if you look at my screen, you can call this a bear flag consolidation right here on Microsoft. How we get out of this mess? We need to get over 427.69 to be exact. Above that level, we can talk about Microsoft going up and possibly holding this as a higher low. But looks like that's not the case. If this thing cannot hold 413 to 414 as a support, you will see more dump off continuing down to 400, and from there possibly can come down to this low down here from August 5th. Now also I want to point out this right here, that we got this head, left shoulder, and right shoulder could be forming right here. And if this is where to play out, you're going to see a massive dump off right here on Microsoft. Now to the upside, Microsoft right here will find resistance at 423 to 424. Over that, this is going to be the level that I'm watching. If this thing can clear 427.69, then you're going to see continuation up to 442 and possibly even higher. Underneath 413, you'll see a dump off down to 400, and from there it can come down to this low down here. On AMD, it's absolutely flat on the day, so we saw a huge pump with semis, especially Nvidia and TSM, all going up today and giving up all the gains right here on AMD. Got up to 160. We did not clear 164. You can see right here, got a rejection, came back, and now it's holding over 155. So you're lining this in for tomorrow, 155. Underneath that, 153, 148. If we can actually clear 164, that's going to be really bullish here on AMD. This thing can pump back up to 175, and from there, it can go much, much higher. On Meta, it's absolutely flat on the day, and you can see it right on my screen. We came down, retested. It was failing to hold this support 583, 584, and now we're trading below that level. Came all the way down here to 574, and looks like we might be going down to 565 unless we clear 584 to the upside. In that case, we're going back up to 600 again and possibly trading into blue skies and hitting a brand new all-time high. So yes, the trend is up. It's remaining bullish right here, but we need to hold over 565. If not, we will be coming back and retesting this breakout right here at 543 on Meta. On Tesla, stock is down 0.20%, a flat day, and you can see bear flag consolidation right here on Tesla, holding just over 212 to 13. And if that level gives out, you're going to see more selling down to 207, and from there it can go to even flat 200. Usually what we see on Tesla, any big event, whether it's good or bad, we see selling, and this is exactly what's happening even after earnings that happened before. And now with this event, robotaxi, well, event went well, but the stock took a massive dump off. So this is going to be your line in the sand right here, 212 over this level right here. There is a possibility we might set up a lower high here, possibly filling this gap at 234. So that is your trade right here. As long as Tesla is above 212, 213, you can play this up to this gap, but don't get overly bullish and go long here, because this thing can fill this gap and then can take a dump off all the way back down to 200. On Nvidia stock, it's up 0.89%. So today, Nvidia shorted right here. It was a day trade expiring tomorrow, which is Friday, sold for a nice profit. I did not share this trade with my Patreon group. It was really risky because we are trading into blue skies, and we talked about it before, guys. And that is why these technical analysis are coming out for you guys. Yes, I'm not doing it more often. I'm still on vacation. This is a long vacation. I'll be back very soon. And soon as I'm back, we'll be doing live trading. We'll be sending out more trade ideas, and people that are just waiting for these videos, hang on, it's coming, guys. And I know a lot of you guys are asking for a DJT video. That is also coming out very soon, and haters are gonna hate, but the Trump, and the Trump supporters are going to celebrate that big win. It was down to 15 bucks, and now we're trading at 30. So another, big pump on DJT. Never count that stock out. And I see a lot of comments, and a lot of you guys are still subscribed to this channel because of that one particular stock, DJT. That video is coming. And don't forget to hit that like button, because that is the only thing that actually motivates me to put out more contents for you guys. Now, Nvidia shorted today, made money, came down and holding where? 136. The second thing I was going to say about technical analysis, that what I said before, remain bullish over 118, stay bearish under 118. And if you remained bullish over 118, look at what happened. Well, pump, and almost, getting into blue skies again, right? Yes, it's a rejection here, but we're holding over 136. Still, the trend is bullish. Now, would I be going long here? Absolutely not. It can go maybe another 5-10 bucks up from here, but this is not a zone to go long. Even on a breakout, things are getting a bit overextended, and things are getting really greedy and frothy in the market. Now, going into tomorrow's session, 136, your line in the sand. Underneath that level, I would like to see a dump off down to 130. This is going to be critical. A lot of consolidation here, rejection here, a lot of consolidation here. And now, if we come back down to 130, it has to hold. Otherwise, this would be another look above and fail, and you're going to see this thing dumping and going down in a huge way. Over 136, like I said, bullish, going back up to previous all-time highs, 140 plus, and then maybe even 145 to 150 on Nvidia stock. So Netflix, they got earnings today. It's down on the session 2%, and now I think it's up 5%. So I don't know where things are going to open. I'm not going to make a big prediction for tomorrow, but I think if this thing opens, around at 740 or above, it's going to be a shorting opportunity. I saw the earnings. Yes, they have a beat, but I think, there will be some selling at opening tomorrow. This thing can come back if this thing stays up easily, 10-15 bucks from the top, depending on where things open. Don't just go and blindly short it. It has to go up more in order for us to short and make some money off of it. Same day expiration tomorrow, Friday. Now Netflix, you can see it's under 700, so tomorrow possibly will open over 700, and if that happens, we might be going back up to 725 to 740, and that is the area that I'm watching on Netflix. Underneath 700, watch out for strong support at 680. On Google, stock is down 1.34%. So Google, again, after getting this dip that I actually got right here and sold at 168, now we're pulling back into this critical support 164. Below that, we also have support right down here near 162. Now, as long as Google can hold right here at 164, watch out for continuation and possibly a breakout over 170 should take Google stock up to 175 right here. Now, we do have this gap on top. Also, we do have some unfinished business down here, bunch of gaps down here. So Google breaks under 162 and stays under 162. That's going to be extremely bearish, and Google can dump even more. So watch out for that going into next few trading sessions right here on Google. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.